Hello and welcome. Today we'll be reviewing the health information icon in the person record. This icon is used to document allergies, devices and modifications, treatments, end-of-life orders, diagnoses, medications, and health insurance. It's important to note that Evergreen is a role-based system. This means that you only have access to the functionality and information you need to do your job. In this scenario, the staff member is already logged in and has accessed the record of a fictitious person named Ruby Jazz. On the person's dashboard, the left menu is displayed and the health information icon is visible. Remember, your display may look different based on your role and access in Evergreen. The information available is broken into tabs for easy navigation. From the left menu, if available, click on the Allergies tab to view or add information on the person's allergies. Click on an allergy record to open it, or click the three-dot ellipsis, then click Edit. Only staff with edit access are able to make changes. Some staff may only have view access. To add a new allergy, click Add New Allergy. A pop-up will appear. Select the type of allergy from the drop-down and complete the required fields, which are denoted by a red asterisk. Adding a note is optional, however, consider it a best practice to complete this field whenever it's available, as it may impact a person's services and supports. Click Save to add the new allergy to the allergies list. To make an allergy inactive, edit the record and uncheck the Active checkbox, then click Save. To delete an allergy, click the ellipsis. Staff with access will see Delete as an option. Click Delete and confirm the action to remove the allergy from the Allergies list page. Click on the Devices and Modifications tab to view or add information on the person's medical devices, safety devices, or dietary modifications. Click on the desired device or modification record to open it, or click the ellipsis, then click Edit. Staff with edit access are able to make changes. Some staff may only have view access. To add a new device or modification, click Add New Device and Modification. A pop-up will appear. Select the device type from the drop-down menu and complete the required fields denoted with a red asterisk. Click Save to add the new device modification to the list. Please note the addition of a safety device requires an approved safety device plan. To make a device modification inactive, edit the record, uncheck the Active checkbox, then click Save. To delete a device or modification, click the ellipsis. Staff with access will see Delete as an option in the drop-down menu. Click Delete and confirm the action to remove the device or modification from the list page. Now, let's look at treatments. This tab works the same way as the Allergies and Devices and Modifications tabs. Click on the desired record or ellipsis to open the record. Staff with edit access are able to make changes. To add a treatment, click Add New Treatment. Complete the required fields, then click Save to add the treatment to the list. To make a treatment inactive, edit the record, uncheck the Active checkbox, then click Save. Deletion of a treatment works the same way as deletion of an allergy, device, or modification. The next tab is End-of-Life Orders. Click the End-of-Life Orders tab to view or add information on the person's end-of-life orders. As with the tabs we've reviewed, to open an end-of-life record, click on the desired record, or use the ellipsis to view or edit the record. Staff with edit access are able to make changes, however, some staff may only have view access. To add a new end-of-life order, click Add New End-of-Life Order and complete the pop-up. Once saved, the record is displayed in the end-of-life order list. To inactivate an end-of-life order, edit the record, add an end date of today or earlier, then click Save. As with previous tabs, to delete an end-of-life order, use the ellipsis. Staff with access will see Delete as an option in the drop-down menu. Click Delete to remove the end-of-life order from the list page. Moving down to Diagnoses. Click the Diagnoses tab to add or view information on the person's diagnoses. Diagnosis information is displayed on a variety of forms, so it's important that this information remains up to date. To open a diagnosis record, click on the record or use the ellipsis to view or edit it. Remember, only staff with edit access are able to make changes. Some records come directly from MIHMS and will only have an editable date range. The process to add a diagnosis is different than previously demonstrated. Click Add New Diagnosis. In the New Diagnosis screen, click the Search button to the right of the ICD code and description field to open a search tool. Enter the ICD code or a description. In this example, a description is added. Click Search. All diagnoses that match the search entry will be displayed. Select the appropriate diagnosis. The additional fields in this pop-up are not required. However, completion is encouraged as it may be helpful when completing various forms. Add information as necessary, then click Save. The new diagnosis will be added to the Diagnosis List screen. To make a diagnosis inactive, edit the record, uncheck the active checkbox, then click Save. To delete a diagnosis, click on the ellipsis. Staff with access will see Delete as an option in the drop-down menu. Click Delete to remove the diagnosis from the list screen. The next tab is Medications. Click the Medications tab to view or edit information on the person's medications. To open a medications record, click on the desired record or click the ellipsis, then click Edit. Staff with edit access are able to make changes. Some staff may only have view access. Some records come directly from MIHMS and will only have an editable date range. Medications is similar to diagnoses in that they are searched from available medications within the system. To add a new medication, click Add New Medication. Click Search next to the name field, enter the medication name and click Search. All medications that match the search entry will be displayed. Select the appropriate medication from the results. The Notes section is used to capture important details about the medication administration. Click Save. The new medication will be added to the Medications List screen. To make a medication inactive, edit the record, uncheck the active checkbox, then click Save. Staff with delete access are able to delete. As with all other health information records, use the ellipsis to delete the record. The last tab is Health Insurance. Once opened, click on a record to view it or use the ellipsis. Staff with access can use the ellipsis to edit the record. To add a new insurance, click Add New Health Insurance. A pop-up will appear. Select the type of insurance from the drop-down menu. Complete other known information. Missing information can be added as it becomes available. Then, click Save. The new insurance will be added to the list screen. To inactivate a health insurance record, edit the record and add an end date of today or earlier. Then, click Save. Staff with delete access are able to delete. Use the ellipsis to delete. You will be prompted to confirm the action. Once completed, the health insurance will be removed from the list. Items in the Health Information section of Evergreen will populate many areas of the system, including forms such as the Comprehensive Assessment and Person-Centered Plan. It's important that this information remains up to date. This concludes our review of the Health Information icon. Please refer to the Evergreen User Guide for additional information. Thanks for watching.